Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the best of cucurbits. Uh, Before enter the topic, just see the important points related to cucurbits. So, இது annual wine type. Okay, wine type கொடி ரொம்ப மெல்லிய கொடி போன்ற type. ஸோ இதோட ரொம்ப டார்க் woody போன்ற டைப்பும் இருக்குது. That is called lianas and shrubs and also tree species also there in cucurbitaceae. Right. It is actually a unisexual flower type. That means it has both dioecious and monoecious plant flower type, and mostly flowers in yellow or white colors. Okay, here fruits of cucurbits are very useful in the term of human health. எப்படி சார்? So purification of blood. Second one is removal of constipation. Third one is good for digestion, and finally a rich source of energy. ஸோ இதுவும் cucurbits பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் முக்கியமான points. Let's enter the today topic best. First one is fruit fly. Bactrocera cucurbitae, Teperitidae, Diptera or Diptera. Okay. Bactrocera, okay, BACT, that is a fruit fly genus. Another one is there, BAT, Batazera, that is a genus of long-horned beetles. Okay, a symptom of fruit fly is maggot feed on pulp and seed of fruits, and second important symptom is oozing out, right? That is gummosis, oozing of resinous fluid from the fruits, and distorted and malformation fruits, premature dropping of fruits, finally it will unfit for consumption. You can see this different type of symptom caused by fruit fly. Bactrocera cucurbitae, and coming to biology, and it has four life stages: egg, maggot, pupa. First one is egg period, but one day. Here a single female will lay the 1 to 26 eggs. Okay. Second one is maggot. It is about 3 weeks. It is a dirty white apodous maggot. That means a legless maggot. And pupation will take place in soil. It's about 3 to 9 days. And finally adult stage, it is reddish brown fly. என்ன சார் பெக்குலர் மார்க், எப்படி சார் இது ஃப்ளை மாதிரி இருக்கும்னு சொல்கிறீங்க, எப்படி சார் இது ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறது அப்படின்னா, இட் ஹாஸ் ஏ வெர்டிக்கல் lemon yellow curved marking on the thorax. See the picture. So this is a peculiar marking identification for fruit fly. Okay, coming to species complex in fruit fly. First one is Bactrocera cucurbitae and Bactrocera ciliatus and Bactrocera sonata. Here cucurbitae and ciliatus sonata are the three species caused to heavy damage in cucurbitaceae. And how to differentiate? Okay, in cucurbitae it has a 3 vertical marking on the thorax, and regard to ciliatus and sonata, ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தேர்டு டெர்ஜைட். ஸோ இதில் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டிய விஷயம் இருக்குது. தேர்டு டெர்ஜைட், இட்ஸ் அப்பர் போர்ஷன் ஆஃப் thorax. Okay, third portion, that is pro-mesometa. So 3 tergite present in thorax, insect thorax. Third one, third tergite, if it is a oval spot present in third tergite, it is a ciliatus species, or if it is a yellow band present on third tergite, that is a sonata. Okay, then you get differentiate panel. So see the different type of symptom caused by the fruit fly. See the infected fruit and splitted fruit and stunted fruit and gummosis on the fruit and brownish infected internal tissues. Okay, let's see the pictures. And coming to management, we can go for resistant variety like Arca tinta related to regard to round cots, and Arca Cereomycia regard to pumpkin. Okay, so we can change the sowing dates. Damage is heavy in rainy season and low in hot dry season. So இதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி நம்ம sowing date நம்ம adjust பண்ணி we can reduce the pest attack. And we can use a ribbed gourd as a trap crop. And trap crop attract another, we can go for Malathion 50 EC. And we can use attractant like a citronella oil, eucalyptus oil, vinegar oil, or lactic oil, etc. And collect and destroy the fallen damaged fruits and rack up the soil, because pupation takes place in the soil. And final one is methyl trap, load trap, use at a rate of 25 per hectare. You can see the load trap, methyl trap in picture. And how to prepare it: one part of methyl with one part of malathion or any other chemical, and keep 12 per hectare. Okay, and we can also use for fish meal in polythene bags with the 6 volts. Okay, same 12 per hectare. And bait, so food material with the chemicals. Here food material is molasses or jaggery, in which you can use a number of chemicals like fenthion, malathion, dimethiode with the molasses or jaggery. And spray neem oil as a repellent or prevent the overpollution by adult flies. And we can also use the seed kernel extract at the rate of 5% against egg laying. Okay, we can avoid egg laying. And important point is do not use the DDT or linden, okay, such as copper or sulfur or dust, because it will cause the phytotoxic to plants. Coming to stem borer or clear winged moth, Militia eurasian, family Ageridae, order Lepidoptera. Your symptom is white larva bore into the stem and producing galls. Okay, so on the bore panna holes some type of frost come out from the particular damaged holes, and the plant will show the poor foliage. Right, coming to biology, egg present in lower surface of leaf and larva in white in color, and pupal period is 20 to 24 days. Also take place in soil. And adult, it's a clear winged fan like tuft of hairs on legs. Legs hairs peculiar marking. You see the affected plant pots caused by the stem borer, Militia eurasian. See the picture. And coming to management, collection, destroy, and we can use the parasitic Apandella species and insecticide malathion, dimethium to methyl dimetone. These are the recommended safe insecticide for cucurbites, mostly so for all pest activities. To reduce the pest activities in cucurbites, the malathion, dimethium, methyl dimetone. Answer அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it's safe for cucurbit. Next one is snake out stem weevil, Baris trichosanthes, family Curculinidae, order Coleoptera. Your symptom is grub bores into the stem or petiole and cause the withering of leaf. It's a small black teeny weevil. Okay. Coming to pumpkin semilooper, Plusia signata and Plusia peponis. Symptom is here larva cut the edges of leaf lamella. See, edges of leaf lamella and fold it over the leaf and feed from within the leaf row. And also be patient take place in folded leaf. Without a peculiar symptom. Okay, coming to biology, cake larva pupa adult. Here egg is 4 to 5 days, spherical egg, and larva period is 28 days. See the picture. It is a light green color larva with longitudinal white strips. Okay, that is peculiar symptom. In people, period is about 1 week. Pupation take place into folded or infected plant rolled leaf. The adult is brown moth with shiny brown forewings. Here the same management for Plusia. It is a collection destroy. Increase the activities of Apandellus, Taragame and Apandellus plusia. So Plusia is a genus of number pumpkin semilooper. So insecticide, same malathion, dimethiode and methyl dimetone. The next pest is important one, the pumpkin beetle. There is 3 species in pumpkin beetle: Alectopora faevicolis, Alectopora cincta, and Alectopora intermedia. So you can differentiate by the color, seeing the physical color. If it is red, faevicolis. If it is gray, that is cincta. If it is blue, that is intermedia. Simple. And symptom is grub feeds on the root, stem, and fruits. And adult feed on leaf and flowers. Okay, here important point is here adult undergoes the hibernation. Coming to biology, here is egg about 2 weeks. Egg period is about 2 weeks. Here single female can lay 300 eggs, singular group in the soil. Important one is lay the eggs in soil and pupation also take place in soil. Okay, see the damage caused by the pumpkin beetle and see the three species of pumpkin beetle. And coming to management, here go for carbofuron and malathion. It's a safe insecticide for this pumpkin beetle and collection and destroy the adult beetle. And plowing, because the two life stages happen in soil, egg and pupae. Because that's why it's plowing is a will be a best control measure for the pumpkin beetle. Next, pumpkin caterpillar. So Diphonia indica, Pyrastida lepidoptera. Here you can see the different type of shriveled gods. It is a symptom of pumpkin caterpillar, Diphonia indica, Pyrastida lepidoptera. Coming to biology, here egg period is about 6 days. It's eggs present in lower surface of leaf, and coming to larval period about 2 weeks. See the picture, it's a green larvae with a mid dorsal line, white mid dorsal line. Okay, so mid dorsal line, and it's a peculiar marking for pumpkin caterpillar. Here pupation takes place in rolled leaf, and adult, it's a medium sized moth. It's a transparent wing with a having brown border. Coming to management, the same like our semilooper, Papandella species, and insecticide Malathion demethiate and methyl demeter. Coming to spotted beetle, Enos epilacna, Viginchopunctata, family Coccinellidae, order Coleoptera. Here both grubs and adult will cause a damage like by scraping of leaves, scraping of chlorophyll, present epidermal layer of leaves. Okay, you can see both grubs and larvae. Here spines, if there is a spine, that is a grub. Without spine, that is a adult. A adult having a 14 black spots in each electron. Next one is moth. It's a Spinarchus caffer, Pteropodida lepidoptera. It's a moth, tiny moth. So just so எப்படி differ ஆகணும் மற்ற மாத்துக்கிட்ட இருந்து. It's having a divided wings, 4 wing and hind wings or divided. See the picture, divided இருக்கும். Wings are divided. It's a peculiar identification mark for blue moth. Having the 4 life stages: egg, larva, pupae, adult. Here eggs laid singly on buds and leaves. Here yellowish green with the spines all over the body. It's a peculiar marking of larvae of plume moth. Okay. Here adult is tiny plume moth. Management is same like our pumpkin caterpillar and pumpkin semilooper. Okay. Leaf miner, Liriomasa trifoli, is a diphtheria pest, just like a fly. And identification of pest. Here larvae, minute orange yellowish apodous maggot, apodous legless maggot, and pupates take place within mines, affected mines, and adult is pale yellow in color. Management is collect and destroy mined leaf. We can use for NSKE 3%. Finally, the stem gallfly, Neolasioptera fulcata, the diphtheria pest. The symptom of damage is maggot bore into the distal shoots and form galls. And adult is slender dark brown mosquito-like fly. The insecticide is same like previous pest, Malathion dimethiate and methyl demeter. Here final point is we should not use the HCH and BHC and DDT copper and sulfur like product because it will cause the phytotoxic to goats. Here I end my presentation. Thank you.